Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to Chino. We are inside the Chino Spectrum Center. Last time I was here filming the All-American Express car wash location on its opening day, there was a Mark VII, either a Choicewash or a soft wash located at a Circle K station, like right around the corner from here. And I figured since I'm here and I bypassed it because I didn't think it was interesting enough to film, why don't we go ahead and try it and see if I was wrong to pass it up for not being interesting enough. Well, finally found it. It's over there inside that Mobil station, which is also a Circle K. Let's see what we have here. While we're waiting, this thing actually really needs to be washed. There's a lot of gunk and stuff on the window, which is rare for me with all these videos. So we'll see if it is a choice wash or not. And even so, either way, I gotta see if it cleans my car. Person in front of us is entering. Oh, look at this. The motor's all outside. Gotta love that in the Mark 7s. Alright, so we got a $18 Ultimate, which is only safe touch, so this is a choice wash. Then we got the Premium for $15, Standard and Budget. So, $18 is a bit of a stretch. I did a safe touch on the choice wash last time, so why don't we do the $15 touch free, just for the heck of it. Nope.
Please select one of the following. Please insert payment.
Alright, now that we sit here and wait, go ahead and watch this person in front of us go through their wash. Alright, so they're finished. Just gotta wait for it to say enter bay on the time left timer. Look at this. Did this used to be a manual wash? What the heck? Kind of weird to see that on automatic bay. A little more. Oh, there we go. Starting out with a rich layer of foam here, or pre-soak. Not really sure what it's doing back there. I'm guessing it's just took a bit with the profiling boom. I'm not sure if it's supposed to go like not completely all the way down like that on purpose. And now we're starting triple foam a third of the way through the vehicle without hitting the hood. Okay. I guess we're not going to get the hood. Someone is just pulled in behind me apparently. Sounds like a lightsaber when it pulsated like that. Now what are we doing? This is probably our UV protection. And then I guess a rinse pass after that. They didn't invest in a wash status timer or sign or anything like that. So I kind of have to guess my way. Whoa, what the? What the? Did you see that? Like how it did it on that car in front of me too. You see how like the blower's turned on like before the spot-free rinse it was even done? I'm guessing that's a programming issue because that does not seem like that should be intentional. But it looks like we got the Mark VII blowers with the newer motor sound, much quieter on the ears. Something as it dries, okay, which I'm assuming is not spot-free water, so that's probably it. Yep, all done. Yeah, hard to say that's a good value for $15, but in any case, it looks like it did a decent job on my car. I guess we'll hop out here in a second to look, so. Yeah, I'm not too sure that's spot-free water. I guess we'll know soon enough. Yeah, not sure. Huh. Yeah, like I said, no, I wouldn't say that's a good value for 15. Maybe 12 would be a good value for that wash. But other than that little spot where there was like a little bit of like a little bit of something left on the car, and depending on whether the spot-free water dries without spots or not, I guess we'll see. I'm not sure if you can see it all that well, but it looks like my prediction about the spot-free water was correct. There's like signs of spotting in this area. It might be hard to see on camera, but it's definitely there. I'm trying to see if there's one of the lenses can see it. I'm gonna look out the back real quick. I can't really see all that well, but it looks like there's spots back there too. So yeah, that was pretty mediocre at best. I wouldn't say that's a good wash. I can't say I recommend this place. As much as I kind of like Mark 7s, this one is not very good. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and that is it.